The sun is coming up on a beautiful Tuesday morning. We're supposed to get rain at the end of the week, so hopefully we can get this going. We got our plumbing in. I laid out this wall location for them. You can see they got all the vents and drains in the wall. This is one thing you really need to do because you can get disoriented really easily when you're out in the middle of the slab. And there's no, it's hard to take your pencil and mark the gravel. So it's a good way to get everything in the proper location. That's a footing that'll be poured for a column that'll hold up the ridge beam. That's the sink drain, and there's the toilet and the vanity and the shower. The stackable washer and dryer goes in there. In one of my earlier vlogs about this project, I showed the floor plan. Maybe I'll pull it up again before this is over, this video. Over here is where the water line will come up into a wall or closet right there. I like to sleeve mine. I don't like running the PEX directly into the concrete. Everything will be done above concrete. This is one thing I learned from like 45 years of building with slabs. If you can get the water lines out of the slab, do it. I can't tell you how many horror stories I've seen, but anyway, it's just a personal preference. So the water line will come in from over here, go into that sleeve, and then it'll go up to the attic, over and down. And you might say, well, that's convoluted. Well, if you've ever had water lines leak or bust or get torn up by the concrete guy or whatever, then in your internet world it may seem crazy, but in real life it's a good idea to have access to your water lines, because nothing is perfect in this world. You have to design systems around imperfections. You can't assume perfection. We can strive for it as artisans. We're always striving for perfection, but we rarely acquire it, obtain it. Anyway, enough preaching philosophy. Again, it's sleeved. That is a 4-inch sleeve, and that is the 3-inch sewer line coming out. So again, anytime you can sleeve and protect, sleeve and protect. And it'll go straight to the side. There's a knockout in the front side of the septic tank that it'll go into. So, and I've got pictures before the pipe was covered up. I'll put those in now. So the next time you see me here, we will be pouring concrete. Awesome.